Hello there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create a text campaign from scratch. So the first page that you want to go to are the campaigns page. So you can by clicking on this left-hand side menu and clicking on campaigns, and then you're going to have an option to select between a regular campaign or an automated one. So that depends on what you want to create. But for both of these options, the steps are going to be the same. So I selected the regular campaign, and then from here we want to click on this button that's in the top right corner that says create campaign, and we click to create a new campaign. So from here we select the campaign type, which is going to be the text message. We click next, and now you give your campaign a title. Now this title is just something that's going to be for your reference. So for example, I'm going to do a February newsletter. I'm going to click next. And from this next page, we're going to officially start with the creation of our text message. So the first step that you want to do is just to select the group of people you want to reach out to. So your recipients, it can be your current customers, your leads, or maybe a selected group of people that have a certain tag or are using a certain service. And then you start with creation of your text. So something that I highly recommend is to use these variables. You can insert them by clicking here, insert variables. And these variables are just used to customize and make the text a little bit more personalized when you're reaching out. So since especially this regular campaign is a mass text campaign, you're going to be reaching out to a larger group of people. You want to create a feeling that you actually typed this out and that you actually reached out to them. So I highly encourage that you add their first name. But since you're reaching out to more people, we created these variables so the text can be personalized, and you would start off with something like hello, and then you want to include the client's first name. So you would insert the variable and click first name here. And as you can see, it's going to say client's first name in these parentheses. But if you go over on the preview, you're going to have the actual name. Here it says new location, but this is just something that we have set up in the account as a test name. So it says new location, but it's going to say hello, Sandy, hello, Anna. And then you can just continue with typing out your text message. With these variables, you also have business name, business address. So if you want to avoid like typing out that, you can just select these variables from here and it's going to be written out for you. And that's pretty much it. When you're done with the creation of your text message, all you need to do is scroll down and then you can either schedule the time. So you can schedule this text to be sent out and you can schedule it in advance. So to be sent out at a certain time, or you can leave the time as it is if you want to launch this right away. And then from there, all you need to do is scroll up and hit over here onto the top right corner to launch.